how to fix TikTok login problems with Facebook. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Login issues can often be caused by an unstable connection. You can check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection by opening your device's settings. Ensure you're connected to a stable network. Next, make sure both your TikTok and Facebook apps are up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok and see if there are any updates available. If there are, tap Update and do the same for Facebook. Sometimes logging out and back into Facebook can resolve login issues. Open the Facebook, tap on the three horizontal bars and click on Logout, and then log back into your Facebook account. Now make sure TikTok has the necessary permissions to access your Facebook account. Go to Settings on your device, scroll down until you find TikTok, and make sure your TikTok application has the full access. If none of these steps work, you can contact TikTok support for further assistance. Open the TikTok app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open settings and scroll down to report a problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any login problems with TikTok using Facebook. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.